Welcome back to Drive Zone, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Mazda 3. Whether you're looking at the 2025 Mazda 3 Sedan, the 2025 Mazda 3 Hatchback, or the powerful 2025 Mazda 3 Turbo, there's plenty to be excited about. So buckle up, and let's see if this new Mazda lives up to the hype. Mazda has once again delivered a stylish and sophisticated design. The 2025 Mazda 3 boasts a refreshed look with a more aggressive front fascia, sleeker LED headlights, and a bold new grille. If you're a fan of the Mazda 3 Sedan 2025, you'll appreciate its elegant proportions, while the Mazda 3 Hatchback 2025 offers a sportier stance. Plus, for those wondering about a 2025 Mazda 3 redesign, Mazda has kept its signature Kodo design philosophy, but with subtle refinements. Step inside, and you're greeted by a premium cabin that continues to rival luxury brands. The 2025 Mazda 3 interior features high-quality materials, a newly designed center console, and an upgraded 12.3-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mazda has focused on driver engagement, with a minimalistic yet intuitive dashboard layout. Plus, for tech lovers, the Mazda 3 2025 model now includes an advanced digital gauge cluster and an enhanced Bose audio system for a truly immersive driving experience. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Mazda 3 Sport and 2025 Mazda 3 Turbo models offer exciting driving dynamics. The standard 2.5L Skyactiv-G engine delivers around 191 horsepower, but for those craving more power, the turbo variant churns out up to 250 horsepower when using premium fuel. Mazda has also hinted at a 2025 Mazda 3 hybrid option, which could improve fuel efficiency while maintaining the fun-to-drive nature. If you're curious about handling, the G-Vectoring Control Plus system ensures smooth and confident cornering. Whether you choose the FWD or AWD variant, the 2025 Mazda 3 remains a joy to drive. Mazda continues to impress with its safety features. The 2025 Mazda 3 comes equipped with iActive Sense, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new 360-degree camera system for better visibility. The 2025 Mazda 3 review wouldn't be complete without mentioning its impressive crash test ratings and standard safety tech. So, when can you get your hands on the new Mazda 3 2025? The official 2025 Mazda 3 release date is expected to be mid-2025, with prices starting around $24,000 for the base model, while the 2025 Mazda 3 Turbo and top trims could go up to $35,000. Expect different pricing based on trims and optional packages. The Mazda 3 2025 continues to set the bar high for compact cars. With its premium design, engaging drive, and top-tier technology, it remains a solid contender in its class. But what do you think? Are you excited for the 2025 Mazda 3 Hatchback or the Mazda 3 Sedan 2025? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews here on Drive Zone. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next one.